YouTube. Y'all make sure y'all come check out AG Born Jamaican, where we travel life together. Whether you like gardening, traveling, or just going on an experience, this is the channel for you.
Alright, this is Gainesville. It's like an Oktoberfest thing, and I'm gonna feature some of their food stands. Over here you have the beer and wine. You have sandwiches. You have all type of product you can get over here. Food product, that is. They have the grill over there where they make everything fresh. You also can get your fresh smoothies over here. This is the name of the place. You have your chips, tacos. And they're just setting up over here. The name is covered. Hold on. Okay, there it goes. There goes the name. And you guys are located down in Gainesville? Okay. And their
information. Join us for a free appetizer.
And their information will be in the description. Come over and get your breakfast. You got your taco truck over here. All right. Over here you have your hot dogs, your sausage, your burgers, your french fries, your rice and beans. You have your sushi. You have your corn dog. You have tacos. Okay, the pizza shop, they're just setting up, and I'll be back later to show you guys what they have. This is the little Jamaican restaurant set up. That's the name of it. Ocean Caribbean Soul. There you go. You got your fresh corn dogs. You have the shish kebabs. I'm sorry. How you doing? You good?
You want everything on it? You want everything?
Yeah. Well, your condiments over here. Here you got your gyro.
No, I have no idea. City Gainesville?
I think so. It's like $10.
How's it going there? Pilgrim something. Pilgrims? Pilgrims, yeah. Oh, Pilgrim's Pride? That's them over there. Yeah, I don't have anything to do with that. Where are they? I don't think they're here yet.
Oh, okay.
That tent, not this tent, but the next tent, that's where they're set up.
Okay. Are they going to be here?
I think so, yeah.
Over here you have your fresh squeezed lemonade. Hello. Oh, I'm sorry.
Y'all need the ice?
There you have your, get your fresh corn dogs. Pork skin. Okay, over here. You don't mind, do you? We got the fresh shish kebabs over here. Fresh shish kebabs on the grill. Okay, I'm gonna get the grilled chicken, and I'm also, this is the grilled coconut shrimp. Alright folks, this right here is the alligator shish kebab. You know I ain't gonna try that. Here it is. You know I'm not trying that. This is what I got, the coconut shrimp. And I got a grilled shish kebab. This is some of the product that is available at this place. I got my cutting board. These are the cutting boards. That's my beer. And here you got your table. And these are all handmade. Right here, beautiful cutting board, also spins. pepper. Grinder. This is the man of the hour. Where's the location?
We're right here in Gainesville. We're local, right off the square in the little industrial section of downtown Gainesville.
And the name of the company?
Brother Jack Woodworking.
There you go.
Yeah, man.
Come on down.
Heck yeah,
and come
come
check
see me.
them out. He will give you a good price, and trust me, very friendly, good business over here.
Thanks. Hey, Kara, any chance you got
And I will show you guys the finished product.
This one right here. This is the Fierce. You're gonna video him doing it. Just go slow. This is the lethal dose. This was our hottest for many years.
This is their hottest for many years. What's the name of it?
Lethal dose.
It's called Lethal Dose.
And we own the copyright to the name. So nobody else can name a hot sauce like dose. Wait for it.
She said, wait for it, wait for it.
It'll build on there.
This one is?
Fierce. Hold it down because I'm so short I can't see what I'm going to put, where I'm putting the sauce.
This one is called Fierce. Fierce is a little hotter than that one.
Yeah. This is a proprietary pepper that my husband developed about 7 years ago. And he's going to send it off to the University of Mexico and have the scolding stone on it.
It's not bad.
And then get the right.
I like the texture. It has like a nice little seasoning flavor to it.
Do you use extracts in your stuff?
Nope. I grow my own peppers.
So what peppers do you use?
5 kinds. Ghost peppers. Combine it. Ghost peppers, Carolina Reaper, Trinidad and Scarlet pepper. How do you know? Jamaican stuff bonnet and jalapeno. Those are the 5 I use. Because I grow them in my garden.
Right. We're in Covington.
Oh.
This is the roasted habanero. It's got a good taste.
Yeah, I like the taste. Has a little Swedish type. I like that.
We don't put sugar in it. We do put sugar in our peach habanero. And then we have a strawberry chipotle. our regular ones. This is from a test batch, and we can't sell it because we haven't got the process approved yet.
Okay.
But as a gift,
Oh,
we're
man.
giving these away because we just don't have
Okay.
Yeah. Covington, Georgia.
Okay.
And we grow all of our peppers. We pick them, wash them, smoke them. Sanitize them, then smoke them, and make all of our sauce. This is our salsa verde. It won first place at the World Hot Sauce Awards in Liberia, Louisiana, and got the trophy there. And then the peach also won first place. It's a Georgia peach habanero.
Nice.
It also won first place.
That's the trophy.
Strawberry chipotle. And then we have the roasted jalapeno, the roasted habanero, the dragon sauce, and then the super hots, which is the lethal dose, and the fierce.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Huh?
So we're doing good.
What you got over here?
Some Jamaican food, some oxtail, some curry chicken, jerk chicken, the works.
You got a
I'm from
cart?
Gainesville. Yeah.
You live in Gainesville?
Oh yeah, we have the restaurant is here in Gainesville.
Get that out of here.
Yeah, we just opened like 4 weeks ago.
Get that out of here.
Okay.
Yeah, so here's a thing. You come into the restaurant, a couple dollars off the meal.
Yo. Thank you for watching AG Born Jamaican. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, life is to be discovered and experienced, and we're here to do it.